So guys, I had told you earlier that I decided to come to Mida. Mida is next to Watamu. It's not far from Watamu, not far from Malindi either. So I decided to spend the night in this, oh my god, too much sand, in this eco camp. This is actually Mida. This is actually Mida Creek eco camp. Oh my god, it's so quiet. Is there anyone? Is there anyone? So it's a distance from the gate. This is the gate, and then I have to walk all the way. Oh my god, that was actually a nice flight. I didn't know Safari Link have such pretty planes. Oh my god, that was cute. I'm only used to the smaller planes with Safari Link, and that was so impressive. So I want to explore this place. It's an eco camp, and oh my god, they have no power and my phone is going off. What do I expect? It's an eco camp. My phone is actually shutting down. What can I do? I'm supposed to upload a vlog today. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, I'm so disappointed. Okay, I'm not disappointed. I was supposed to know that it's an eco camp, but I'm pretty sure they have an alternative. They're gonna help me out. I don't know how, but they could have solar. We'll see, guys. So let me get to the camp and then I'll see you guys. So guys, I already arrived, as you all know, at this point, and I'm having dinner actually. Unfortunately, there's no power. I actually learned that they have electricity. I thought otherwise, but it's only that they have connected their wires like underground, yeah. So that is what they have told me, but unfortunately there's a problem with like the transformer. So normally they give like solar lamps and solar lamps and like lanterns, to provide light, which I don't think is a problem. After all, this is an eco camp, so I'm having dinner outside my room. This is my room. As you can see, there are like shelves used to make this room eco camp. Yeah, I'll show you tomorrow in the morning because the lighting will be much better. So right now I'm having dinner. I'm having this rice. This is coconut rice with grilled chicken. This is salt. This is a sauce, and there is a banana and a mango, and then that is the lantern that I'm using. Oh my god, it's exciting me. I don't know why, but this setup is just goes. Like, I just love the vibe. It's giving traditional African, it's giving African traditional lifestyle. When we never had like electricity, we used this kind of lamps. It has given me memories. So yeah, that is what I'm having. I also have this traditional seat over here outside my room. So guys, let me have dinner. Good morning guys, it's a wonderful morning here in Mida. Mida is just next to Watamu in Kilifi County, or closer to Malindi to be specific. I know most of you don't know Mida, right? Yeah, so Mida is touristic destination. I really love it because of the Mida Creek that is just next. That is where I'm going right now to have like a walk. It's a creek with flamingos. It's very beautiful. I've been here before, but not this eco camp. I was in another eco camp, and these are very exciting places because they're full of nature. Like, it's so easy for you to connect with nature. Like last night I was just seated there having dinner, listening to birds. Yeah, it's so therapeutic. So right now I'm having a walk to the creek, and I didn't show you guys my room. This is my room. It's like It's like a complete house. You see behind me, it's like a complete house, like someone's house. You know how it looks like. Yeah, so it's really beautiful with all those shells. Oh my god, this place is full of nature. Can you see the white things on the house? Those are like shells from the ocean. So yeah, let's go for a walk at the creek. This is the way to the creek. So let's go see what's popping at the creek. Wow, my goodness, guys, is this beautiful? Isn't this beautiful? Oh my god, this is amazing. For those who love nature, this is the perfect place to be in, to practice ecotourism. You will not regret this. Oh my god, look at that. Wow, it's so beautiful. I want to stay longer. I'm this kind of a person who will visit a place and I fall in love with the place and I just want to stay. Yo, but I have to go home. I have to go home. Anyways, they're very beautiful places in Kenya. You guys, you should come to Kenya. Wow, look at that. There is also a boardwalk. You can see this boardwalk that goes all the way to the creek. So you can either use the place that I'm walking on, or you can use the boardwalk. It's up to you to decide. And it's drizzling but still sunny. That's cute. So I decided to use this path because I didn't want to go all the way up there, but it's still cute though. I would want to go on top of that boardwalk to take some beautiful pictures. I think I could do that at the end of the boardwalk. So Jesus Christ, where is this place? Where is this beautiful, quiet? No one is here actually. I'm the only person. Can you imagine that? Wow, wow, wow. Oh my god. Hey, so guys, I'm just chilling and enjoying the views here at Mida Creek, and I think this is someone's hotel, like a place for guests to chill, I guess, because it looks like it has like seats, tables and all that. I think it's like someone's restaurant, and I think it's just that they are not open. But this place is so isolated, I would say, because I can only see like 3 fishermen. But this view is breathtaking. Oh my god, oh my god. You know, when I say it on video, it doesn't look like it, but when you come here you realize now how beautiful this place is, because you are there at the moment. But maybe on video you'll just see the views and be like, ah, okay, try coming here and thank me later, because yo, so I'll just like have a few minutes here, connect with nature, just look at the surrounding. There are actually flamingos here. Can you see at the far? You see the water has gone. Normally the water would come up to this point. You see, the water would come up to this point. But now since it's morning, the water has gone. So the flamingos will definitely not be here because there's no water. They will go to where there is water, right? I wish I could see some, but the last time I was here, I actually saw flamingos. Very beautiful. So yeah, maybe next time, because I was here for a night, maybe next time I'll just like plan a trip purposely for this place. Enjoy the Mida Creek, do the canoeing, you know. I just met one of the fishermen here. I told you that I saw 3 fishermen here. So they're actually preparing to catch fish. You see, this place has no water, but in a few hours, or say like in 1 hour, the water will be back. Actually, oh, the water is coming back. If you look at that, you will realize that the water is coming back. So they're actually preparing to catch fish. This is what they do. They put like holes like this, and then they put a net inside with what? With food. So when the water comes, definitely the water is coming with fish. So the fish will try to eat some food from that hole, and then they'll be caught. And then when the water goes back, they will come and take their fish. Yeah, so that is what they are doing, and it's drizzling, so I have to go since also the water is coming back. So I need to go back to the hotel, have breakfast, and then I think that will be the end of this video. Yeah, that will be the end. Once I have breakfast, that will be the end of this video, and I hope to this point you guys are enjoying my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Also, please join my membership, guys. Join my membership. That will really help me in my travels. It also help me because I'll be sure that you guys are enjoying my videos. You know, this is one big family that I'm creating here on YouTube, like 5,400 and I don't know what. You guys are amazing. I have seen your fun fundings. Oh my god, the support you guys are giving is unmeasured. Like, I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much, guys, for the support. Thank you, because I can see you guys coming to follow me on Instagram. Like, your messages, you're motivating me. At least I know I'm doing something great. You are amazing. You guys are amazing. I'm so grateful, and may God bless you. So let me go have breakfast, and I'm coming with you guys. The reason why I want to cut short this video is because my phone is going off. The place I'm staying has no power at the moment. There is some complications, and I have to take my phone somewhere else to charge. So this is the Eco Camp bar. As you can see, the seats are made of wood. Like, this is so sustainable, you know. Oh my god, look at that. You see it's written over there, like Eco Camp bar. Yeah, it's the surrounding. You can only hear the birds chirping. Guys, I just finished having my breakfast, and unfortunately I couldn't record what I had because my phone went off and I had to put it somewhere to charge. But I really had nice omelette, nice chapati, nice fruits. Oh my goodness, that was amazing. I wish I could have shown you, but unfortunately. And the food yesterday, oh my god, that coconut rice was amazing. I never had that coconut rice before, like even in Mombasa. You know that coconut rice that you can actually feel the coconut in it. Yo, that was amazing. So I'm actually seated at their bar. This is Eco Camp bar. So that comes to the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I hope that you're practicing ecotourism. Oh my goodness. So please make sure you subscribe, you like, you share with your friends, and leave a comment. Let me know what do you think about this entire video. What do you think about all my travels? That would really help me to know where to correct and if I'm doing a great job. Yeah, so I'll see you on the next video.